Yeah.
free.
But like it was limp.
Oh.
It's limp. It was limping.
I'm taking a movie.
Oh.
Well, honey, it's not going to bite you. It thinks that you're trying to feed it something.
It's so cute.
Look,
Are you videoing
look at what he's doing.
Are you videoing?
Mhm.
Nom, nom, nom. Nom, 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 nom.
Okay,
Hi,
honey.
Mom. I caught it. It was kind of limping.
We should put it in a cage.
Oh my gosh.
Let's put it in a cage.
No.
Little birdie.
Don't put it in a cage. But what you are going to do, honey, is put it back where you found
Yeah.
it.
Look
Okay?
at it. Look at it.
Don't.
Yeah, don't. Hey.
No, he keeps going like,
I know, but it's
I
probably
caught
freaking
it.
it
Oh,
out a little
jeez.
bit.
He probably wants to leave, Brianna.
Yeah. Oh,
Let him
jeez.
slide.
I don't know.
Throw him up.
I won't. I'm gonna put it back.
Where'd you find him?
Over here.
Cool. Bum, bada, bum.
It went in there somewhere. Oh, it's right there. Hey, can I hold it? No. I think it's stuck.
Mm-mm. Honey, it's hiding for protection.
Okay.